It's okay, pretty bird. Take your time, buddy. You enjoy that breakfast, you beautiful thing, you. Yes. I got more. Take your time. You're a certified beauty, aren't you? I do believe I hear RJ3 off in the distance. RJ3 is still like a ghost, a figment of my imagination. I barely ever see that bird. RJ2 was here this morning with RJ1 for breakfast, which was unprecedented. He's coming around, finally. He's nowhere near as tame as Mom, Dad, and RJ1, but at least, you know, he's coming closer to me. And RJ1 is now catching tidbits midair. He is coming right along. She's a beauty, isn't she? Look at her. Joins me every day for breakfast. I don't blame her. I mean, I'm an absolute beauty myself. Birds of a feather. Hey, hey. You done? You need some more? You want some more? Would you like me to bring you some more? I gotta go inside to get it. Just a minute, pretty girl. I'll go get you some. Yes, sir.